everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Darnell and today I'm going to be working on this gallery wrapped level 3 10 by 20 canvas. I have back taped off and I've got the large push pins put on. Today I'm going to be doing a blowout and I'm going to use a background color of baby blue. Now this here is a lot of white and a little bit of basics primary blue mixed in with it. I'm going to run a line of colors and blow them out. Alright, so I'm going to get this base coat down and get started. Okay, so I got my base coat down, so I'm going to start putting my colors down. This here is Prussian blue. It's got a little bit of iridescent medium in it, and this is from Gumbacher. And then this is Artist Loft Phthalo blue. I think I did add a little bit of white to this. Gonna do that. I'm going to run a little bit of white. Next up is Liquitex Primary Blue. Add a little white and iridescent medium to it. This is the base coat. I'm going to go through the colors again. This is Cell Activator. Put a little top. I'm going to do a little bit at the bottom. Okay, time to blow this out. like this. I'm not a fan of this. So I'm going to scrape this. Okay, so I got it scraped. I'm gonna try to fix it. Alright, I'm gonna try to fix it. I like it better now than I did before. So here it is dry. You guys, this couldn't have dried more perfectly. I love it. These colors look so good together.